Hello everyone, then welcome to the continuation of our UI UX project on the making a sound or music app. Okay, so this is going to be our final screen. Okay, the last project. So either this or this. Let's say I want this. Okay, so all I have to do is I'm going to let me delete this screen. Okay, so just delete them. Okay, so just so we don't become like redundant, okay. So what we can do is now you would notice the spacing, okay, here is a lot. So I think we have to stretch. I'm going to stretch this. So let me just click on it, and I'm going to stretch it a bit. So stretch it. Okay. So I think this should be okay. Then let me highlight all these. Okay, and I'm going to bring them down. Okay, so this should go up a bit. These ones should go up a bit. So here is okay. Then these ones too are going to go up. And let's do that for this too. So I can make this go up to this position. Okay. Then all I have to do is just make this one to also go up. So this is okay. Then I can select this, push it up. Okay. So this should be okay. Now I'm just going to duplicate this screen. Okay. So control. So, Control C V. So Control C, copy and paste. And all I have to do here is change the color and then some other properties. So I'm going to change the color to this. Okay. So this color value. And then I'm going to take, let me see the icon. Okay, so the icon, we should take the speaker out and then rather use the microphone. Okay. So bring the microphone here. You can enlarge it. Then let me bring this in front. So click on this, right click, and then bring to move to front. Okay. So I think I like it this way. Now I'll change the text here to collections. And then let's see. We have to stretch it down. So I'm going to have to stretch down. So stretch it down. So I'll just click here. Let's stretch it down. So when we stretch it down, what we are trying to make it, we are trying to simulate it being scrolled. Okay, so the user can scroll, okay, to see other things beneath it. So I'm going to highlight all these, bring this down too. Okay, then I'm going to change this to gray. Okay, so actually all of them should be gray. Okay, but let's just leave it at black. So your assignment will be to change it to gray. Okay, so all the icons to gray. Okay, but better still you can leave it at black. I just want to change it to this color value. So that's the love body. So this icon to the likes. Okay, so the likes, I'm going to change the color here. Okay, so it's been selected. Then I'm going to change this to black. Now let's see what we have to do. So we are going to take all of these out, delete, and then we want to rather, sorry, I think not all. Let's bring it back. Then I'm going to rather take these ones out. And then in place of the, I'm going to use animal sounds. Sounds. Okay, so now what we'll do is remember I changed the text color here too. Okay, I'm going to take this out. Then I'll go to templates and then select this. So in the block, okay, I want this. So I'm going to drag this here. Okay, and then I'll take these numbers out to delete them. We can just change the images here to any image. Okay, then I'm going to give it a property. Better still, let me delete all of this. Let's see the property we use or I used. So the shadow is 2.5. Okay. Then the radius is 10. So radius, then the shadow 2.5. So I'm going to check this, switch it on. Okay, so let's work with this. Let's see. So tag live length and then composer. Okay. So let's say title, but I'm going to use tag live. Um, we have the length. Okay, so let me clear all these. Okay, so the interesting thing is I just want to build this and then we'll just duplicate this. So let's work on this properly. So, so length, so length we have, so the length, I'll give it a gray color. So our test color is going to be gray. Okay, something like this. Okay, then I can make it not bold. Let's use light or regular. Okay, so regular is okay. Or better still, let's just undo. Okay, I'm going to undo it. Then I'll select Control C V, bring it here. Then I'm going to change. I'm just bring the colon. Then let's say 2:30. Let's use 2 hours. 2 HR. 2 hours. Then the composer. Control C. Sorry. Let's just highlight it too. Control C V. Bring it here. Composer. Okay, so I'm going to pause here and then work the rest out. Okay, so welcome back. So all I had to do was just to work on this, group them, Control C, Control V, and then duplicate them, like copy them several times, and then had to double click inside. So after grouping, you just click inside here, type whatever image you want, and then you select it. Okay, then you can get, so you do them throughout, and then I think That should be it. So the only thing we want to do is, let's say I want to change the background color. Okay, so the background color to this color value, and that should be it. So this is our final UI for our sound app or music app, whichever app it is, but our quality sound app. And the rest is supposed to do some prototyping. So prototyping, let's say when it this is clicked, okay. Oops. Or let's say when the screen is clicked, you want it to go to this. I don't know. Okay, so you might come across some issues with resizing of your screen. Okay, so during prototyping, so I think I set it to 100, and then on the browser I set it to 80. So control minus to 80, okay, and then you can start moving there. So from this screen should go. So when this is clicked, you want it to come to the screen. So once the person logs in, so what is happening? Once the person logs in, you want it to come to the screen. Okay. Then what you can do is, while doing the prototyping, it has its own thing that you can do here. So you can make it switch the kind of screen you want it to go to from the drop downs that you have here. Okay, so you might want to rename your screens here. Okay, so thank you for watching, and then I don't know, sorry for the glitches that we had in these sessions. So this is our final project, and then thank you.